Hi and welcome to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we will be showing you how to transform your bedroom into a romantic gateway for Valentine's Day. First, let's start with bed. Add some fluffy white pillows and a soft plush through blanket for a added comfort and a luxurious look. If you really want to go all out, you can even invest in a new set of high thread count sheets in a romantic color such as red or pink. Now let's move on the wall. Hang up some string lights or fairy lights to create a warm cozy ambience. You can also add some farm photographs or artwork with romantic themes to personalize the space. Don't forget to about the sense of smell, bring in some scented candles or scented oils to create a relaxing atmosphere. Love, lavender and vanilla are a great option of a romantic setting. Finally, add some finishing touches such as rose petals scattered on the bed or a bouquet of flowers on the nightstand. These small details will really help to set the mood. Red and pink colors are classic choices for Valentine's Day, but you can also mix in other romantic shades like soft purple and white. Now let's add some ambience with lightning. Candles are a must for a romantic setting, but you can also use string lights or fairy lights to add a soft, warm glow to the room. Flowers are another great way to add a romantic touch to the room. Roses, lilies, and peonies are all popular choices for Valentine's Day. But don't feel limited to just flowers. You can also add greenery like eucalyptus or rosemary for a fresh, natural look. Now let's talk about comfortable seating. You want to create a space that's cozy and inviting, so consider adding plush pillows and throws to your couch or bed. Finally, don't forget the little details that make all the difference. Add some romantic touches like rose petals scattered on the bed or table, or hang up same love letter or photographs of you and your partner. So those are my tips for creating a romantic Valentine's Day room decor. If you guys like this video, don't forget to share this video with your friends and family members, and don't forget to share this video with your friends and your loving partners. Whether you are spending the evening with a significant other or just want to treat yourself, these decor ideas are sure to set the mood. Bring in some cozy blankets and pillows to create a comfortable and inviting atmosphere. Candles are also a must have for a romantic setting. Choose a few for your favorite scents and place them around the room.